Hey everyone, Neo once again from the Overclocker magazine. Today I have something a little bit different from the usual component reviews, and that's the Mecer powered by ASUS Scion gaming PC. So the Mecer Scion is actually a range of PCs that will be available exclusively from Woodware. So what's special about them? Well, that's down to the component selection above all. See, the Scion PCs are, for one, housed in Mecer's own Scion case, and secondarily, they use ASUS components exclusively. So why make a whole video about this range of PCs? Well, that's simply down to user experience. See, a lot of the time when system integrators and retailers build a computer, they're selecting components based on pricing, performance, and compatibility. However, what they often don't consider is the user experience. And what I mean specifically about that is how all of these components come together and interact. Having multiple components from different vendors means managing just as many software applications. As a result, coordinating lighting, performance, and all other features may be a bit more convoluted than it needs to be. However, if you have many of the components from the same vendor, you can consolidate much of these applications and thus making your entire computing experience that much more pleasurable. Since the core component vendor here is ASUS, this demo Scion PC arrived with an Intel 14th Gen Core i5 CPU, a Z790 ROG Strix motherboard, an ROG AIO, and a tough gaming graphics card. 4 major components which can be controlled and monitored and synced via a single Armoury Crate application. Best of all, you can assign different profiles depending on your needs, and all the appropriate components will be adjusted accordingly, be it aesthetics, noise, performance, or what have you. For instance, if I want a low noise, low power setting with a fixed color scheme, great, I can use Armoury Crate to do just that and assign a profile to it. If I then change my mind and want to create another profile that's high power, high performance, with a matching lighting pattern as well, I can do that too using the exact same profile. You can of course add even more compatible ASUS components, including a mouse, keyboard, headset, PSU, or even ROG certified memory. It will all sync together to whichever profile you set or desire. Additionally, these components don't have to all belong to the same range. That is to say, you can, as in this demo unit, mix a tough gaming product with an ROG part. As such, you can mix and match components which suit your desired look, performance, and budget. Even though this demo PC may not represent any one model you can buy right now, I still ran a few games and benchmarks just to check out the performance and the thermals, and of course it delivered. That should be obvious. Despite the impressive numbers, however, what I would like to see is a number of the ASUS performance boosting options in use. For instance, the thermal velocity boost setting under the AI tuning options in the BIOS, of course, can increase performance without compromising stability. It's an easy performance enhancement which many users don't utilize simply because they don't know it's there. Hopefully, these are enabled by default, or at least profiles are made for end users that allow them to access these features. Outside of this minor adjustment I'd make, these could be some of the most appealing pre-built PCs on the market today. There will be retail models I may look at in future, but as it stands, I'm pretty intrigued by this powered by ASUS Mecer Scion PC range. These seem to extend past arbitrary component selections, instead focusing on more deliberate builds with the user experience in mind. I do sincerely hope the retail models exploit more ASUS features, as I said before, but with the time spent with this demo unit, I am rather impressed. One is, as always, cautious of demo products, but given the idea behind the PCs, the retail unit experience shouldn't be too different, if at all. Anyway, that's it from me about the powered by ASUS Mecer Scion PC. As always, remember to share, like, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.